Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to design a fire typography poster. Type bold text and set background to dark. Now add fire textures and clip it to the text. Now set blend mode to the screen and also use liquify tool for flame flow. Add sparks around using a scatter brush and duplicate the text and blur slightly. And then add glow with the outer glow effect and insert smoke rising from the top lighters and apply color balance to enhance orange tones and light reflections near base. Use curves to darken edges and mud layers and sharpen center area. Your fire typography burns with intensity. Thanks for watching.